Hi, this is Legacy Handyman. Today we're going to show you how to change the outside spigot. First thing we're going to do is shut off the water for the whole house. Now we're going to drain all the water from this faucet. Okay, next thing we're going to drill the holes in the concrete around the faucet so it moves freely. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to unscrew this faucet counterclockwise. We are using Arrowhead frost-proof faucet. Look like this. Before we put it in the wall, put 3 turns of Teflon tape around it. Okay, once it's in, we need to turn on the water, make sure it's not leaking. Next thing we're checking is the no leaks. Everything looks good. Make sure the water is coming out. See this water coming out from that vacuum breaker? This is proper operation. It drains the water from that faucet. That makes it frost proof. And now we're ready to put the concrete back where it's supposed to be. This is Legacy Handyman. This is how you install this outside faucet. You can buy this faucet in the description below. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you.